Hey y'all. What up, what up, what up, doe? Anyway, this is me. Ladies, hair and stuff bliss. I am here to show y'all some multi-wig try-ons tonight. So I got a little bored tonight and I said, let me do a video. And so I'm going to do a video for y'all tonight. So my first wig, I styled this wig myself. It was long and curly, and I designed the wig myself. I cut it the way I wanted it. It's like a curly bob, but it's really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. And I gotta push that back just a little bit. Okay, so this is it. And this is a curly bob. And I'm gonna put this hair around under there, under my back behind my ear. Okay, and so I'm gonna take my comb and I'm gonna pick it out so it'll look cute. I got the pick side, so I'm gonna pick it a little bit like that. I like it to flare out on the sides. And flare it out just a little bit, and then I'm gonna comb it down right here. So it'll be real cute. And this is a curly bob. I just, like I said, I cut it myself. It was just curly all over. But I went ahead and cut it to my liking. And I like it. It is so cute. It is me. But anyway, so this is, let me close this door because my kids is talking. So I'm going to close the door. So anyway, this is one of the wigs that I'm going to try on. This is wig number 1. And I want y'all feedback to tell me how you like it compared to the other ones. This is wig number 1. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that little bell when you subscribe, so you will get all my latest videos. Okay, so this is wig number 1, and this is one of my favorites. I really like it. One of my favorite curly bobs and everything. I think I'm gonna cut it just a little bit more right here. This little snippet right here. Okay. And so this is my curly bob. And I will be right back with wig number 2.